Hey there, have you ever wanted to make money using just your phone? Well, today's your lucky day. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of making money online through your phone. It's accessible, it's convenient, and best of all, anyone can do it. But first, let's talk about the challenges people face when trying to make money online. From complicated setups to time-consuming processes, it can feel overwhelming. That's where using just your phone comes in handy. Whether it's freelancing, selling products, or participating in surveys, there are countless ways to start making money online with just your phone. It's all about finding the right method that works for you. Meet Sarah, a stay-at-home mom who turned her passion for crafting into a thriving online business, all from the comfort of her phone. It just goes to show that with determination and the right strategy, anything is possible. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring the endless opportunities to make money online with just your phone today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our other videos on making money online and share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy hustling.